In this episode, we take you to the Parkway Garden Homes neighborhood, also known as O Block, one of the most violent neighborhoods in Chicago. In this clip, a homeowner suspects a man is ringing her doorbell to see if she's home so that he can break in her house. The creep says he's looking for a friend, but there's no friend at this house. The owner suspects that it's two guys trying to break in her house. Be aware of people who ring your doorbell late night with suspicious requests.
Can I help you?
Yes, I was looking for a friend. They invited me over here. They invited me somewhere.
Not here. Not here.
Excuse me?
Not here.
I apologize.
Address.
I apologize.
Yeah, right. Calling the cops.
Cam Masker turns my camera into a hidden camera. All you gotta do is slide your camera into the Cam Masker and you're ready to go. Cam Masker perfectly hides your Ring or Wyze cameras without interfering with its functions. And now available for Blink Mini.